Welcome to the world of Pinterest affiliate marketing. Pinterest, a platform known for its rich visual content, is also a goldmine for affiliate marketers. This guide will show you how to tap into this potential with the best strategies for Pinterest affiliate marketing. We'll explore the ins and outs of Pinterest and how to leverage its unique features for affiliate marketing success. What is Pinterest affiliate marketing? Pinterest affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy that allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's or companies' products on Pinterest. It's a win-win situation. Businesses gain exposure, and affiliates earn income. Here's how it works. Affiliates create pins featuring the products they're promoting. When a user clicks on the pin and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. This strategy is effective due to Pinterest's visual nature and its user base, which actively seeks inspiration and new products. The key to success lies in the quality of the pins and the relevance of the products to your target audience. High-quality images, compelling descriptions, and strategic use of keywords can significantly increase pin visibility and boost click-through rates. Effective strategies. Use rich pins. These pins provide more context about a product by showing extra information directly on the pin itself. Join group boards. Group boards have a larger following and can significantly increase your pin's reach. Pin consistently. Regularly pinning and engaging with other users helps build your presence on the platform. How to start. Create a Pinterest business account. This grants access to Pinterest analytics, crucial for tracking your marketing success. Build a robust profile. Make your profile professional, engaging, and reflective of your brand. Use relevant keywords to increase visibility. Choose the right affiliate program. Look for programs that align with your niche and have a good reputation. Create high-quality pins. These pins should be visually appealing and keyword-rich. Best practices. High-quality visuals. Remember, Pinterest is a visual search engine, so your pins need to stand out. SEO optimization. Use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions, board names, and account description. Leverage rich pins. Product and article-rich pins can be particularly useful for affiliate marketers. Pin consistently. Aim to pin at least once per day. Build long-term success. Pinterest affiliate marketing is about building a sustainable income stream. How to choose affiliate products. Align with audience interests. Focus on products that resonate with your audience. Visually appealing products. Products that are aesthetically pleasing tend to perform better. Relevance to your boards. Promote products related to your Pinterest boards. Price point. Choose products within a moderate price range that offer a decent commission rate. Quality over quantity. Promote a few high-quality products your audience will love. How to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. Create captivating pins. High-quality, visually appealing pins can drive traffic to your affiliate links. SEO optimization. Use relevant keywords to increase visibility in search results. Power of Pinterest boards. Create boards related to your affiliate products and fill them with valuable content. Promote high-quality products. Ensure the products align with your audience's needs and preferences. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages to build trust and relationships. Adhere to Pinterest's guidelines. Avoid penalties by following their guidelines. The rules. Disclose affiliate relationships. Clearly state when you are promoting affiliate links. Pin directly from merchant website. Ensure your pins link directly to the product page. Avoid spamming. Don't create multiple pins for the same product. Focus on unique, valuable pins. User experience first. Craft compelling descriptions, use high-quality images, and pin relevant content. Optimizing pins. High-quality images. Attractive pins can significantly increase click-through rates. Relevant keywords. Use keywords to enhance the visibility of your pins in search results. Rich pins. These pins provide more information and are more likely to be shared. Pin consistency. Regularly pin high-quality content to avoid spamming your followers. Shareable content. Create valuable content like tips, infographics, or anything that adds value to your audience. Call to action. Encourage users to click on your pins, visit your website, or buy your products. Benefits of Pinterest affiliate marketing. Massive user base. Reach a wide audience for your products or services. Visual appeal. Create attractive and compelling pins that drive more clicks and conversions. Longevity of posts. The Pin It button allows users to save pins for later, increasing the lifespan of your posts and their ability to generate traffic and sales. Targeted advertising. Target ads based on demographics, interests, and behavior to ensure your pins reach the right audience. Brand awareness. Establish your brand as an authority in your industry by creating and sharing pins related to your niche. Conclusion. This guide has explored the importance of Pinterest affiliate marketing and provided you with the knowledge and strategies to embark on your journey. We've covered everything from selecting the right affiliate products to optimizing your pins for maximum reach and conversions. Remember, success relies on understanding these concepts and implementing them effectively. Keep learning, experimenting, and growing within the ever-evolving landscape of Pinterest affiliate marketing. Bonus tip: stay updated on the latest trends and developments in Pinterest affiliate marketing. This will help you stay ahead of the competition and continuously refine your strategies for optimal results.